Alrighty, hey everyone, it's Garrison. I'm here sitting on the Allure of the Seas, a brief little 3-night Bahamas cruise. I have a little hot take to share on kind of like the cruising industry overall. I've been on 14, 15 about, so I'm by no means a pro, but have enough of a understanding to share that travel agents are very relevant in the industry nowadays. So specifically, I use AmStaff, free service. They're giving you the unpublished rates. They're giving you group pricing. They're giving you personalized service. You're not waiting on hold, getting a new, different person each time on the Royal Caribbean 1-800 number. And I think that's absolutely necessary now more than ever. Sitting on an Oasis Class ship, I can tell you right now, you've got a boardwalk view, you can get ocean view, you get interior cabins, you get a Central Park view. There's X number of dining options, so you've got included main dining, 3 different seatings, you've got specialty restaurants, Mexican, Italian, steak, Central Park 130 or 155, whatever the specialty that's in Central Park is. There's so many different options, and not even talking about ports of call, itineraries, short excursions. It makes your head spin. So this is specifically why you lean on the pros. The travel agency world, they're the folks that are on the ships nearly every week. They know the ins and the outs. They know the reservations you need to enjoy your cruise. Are you celebrating a intimate occasion, anniversaries, engagements, honeymoons? Or is it a family cruise? Do you need the child-friendly shows? Do you need, child-friendly shore excursions? Or is it a solo cruise where you have the group cruising layer where you can get 30 solo cruisers together on a ship and have immediate friends? Like, the whole travel agency world, I think, died off briefly when we got the ability to take control of our bookings. So, you could do the research, you could book, you're doing your own flights, you're doing your own cruise. Cruising like that, though, leads to a lot of stress, especially on these ships. You've got the aqua show. You've got the dining reservations. Like, I was just walking by the lined up dining reservations last night. That is you without an agent that you're giving specific details to. So how do you maximize your dollar, maximize your experience? I think it's travel agents. So I'll leave the AmStaff team down below. Really got your best interest in mind. Make sure if you're using another agent, they've also got your best interest in mind and not charging fees like AmStaff does not. But let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know your comments. This is a hot take in the industry. So let me know what you think, if it's relevant, if you want to take control and you're the pro, totally understand, do your thing. But I'll take my vacation stress-free. Mic drop. All right, bye now.